I'm Lucy Liu, a holistic health practitioner and a registered dietitian. Today, I am going to talk about natural remedies for chronic Lyme disease. Lyme disease is a tick-borne illness that can cause a range of symptoms. The early symptoms of Lyme disease typically begin within 3 to 30 days after tick bite and may include fever, headaches, body aches, fatigue, swollen lymph nodes, skin rash, etc. As Lyme disease progresses, more severe symptoms can develop in weeks, months, and even years later. These may include severe headaches, arthritis like joint pain, numbness, or tingling in the hands or feet, shortness of breath or chest pain, brain fog, mood change, insomnia, heart palpitation or irregular heartbeat. Lyme disease has been raising a significant health concern globally, with over 476,000 new cases reported in 2023 in the United States alone. This marks a 12% increase from the previous year. What about the prevalence of chronic Lyme disease? The number of people who remain sick over time. The number of people living with disease increases over time based on the percentage of those who contract the disease and stay sick. One of the challenges in treating Lyme disease is the ability of the common Lyme disease bacteria, Borrelia, to form biofilms. Biofilms are not unique to Borrelia. It also contains various types of bacteria. Biofilm formation occurs when microorganisms attach themselves to a surface and create a colony. Biofilms are structures created by microorganisms such as parasites, candida, and unhealthy bacteria for protection. They are a sticky film that covers the microorganisms, which prevents the immune system from penetrating through the structure and eliminating them. A biofilm is like a barrier against the immune system and antibiotics, antimicrobial, and antifungal agents. Biofilms are often found in candida infection, parasite overload, Lyme disease, and much more. Once pathogens colonize and begin to form biofilm, they become harder to detect and destroy, especially the longer they present. Not only do biofilms shield the pathogen from your immune system, but they also accelerate the growth and distribution of pathogens through the GI tract and provide an environment for new pathogens to attach and multiply. Because biofilms protect the bacteria, they are often more resistant to traditional antibiotic and antimicrobial treatments, making them a serious health risk. Some studies suggested that overuse of antibiotics can induce biofilm formation. Most people with chronic sinus infection have a bacterial biofilm in their nasal passages. The most common biofilm is a plaque in your teeth. Did you know that catheters have a surface that is conductive for biofilms to form? There are more than 1 million reported cases of catheter associated UTI infections each year, many of which are related to biofilm-associated bacteria. In Lyme disease, biofilms bacteria produce and cover themselves in a layer of sugar slime called mucopolysaccharides. To add the structure, the bacteria use a protein found in the blood called fibrinogen, which they use to create a fibrin protein skeleton. Because the fibrin gives the structure, the bacteria in biofilms can protect themselves under their outer protection coverings. In biofilms, bacteria use efflux pumps to remove antibiotics and create antibiotic resistance. Within the Lyme disease biofilms, the bacteria establish highly organized structure and functions. For example, they have tubes to take in nutrients. They also communicate with one another by using various chemical messengers, excrete waste through channels, and perform other complex activities to promote the longevity of the community. Let's look into some natural remedies to break down these nasty biofilms. Some natural biofilm disruptors include the following: turmeric, garlic, oregano, berberine, apple cider vinegar, activate, charcoal, cranberry, propolis, ginger, cinnamon, flaxseed oil, neem, andrographis, boswellia, rosemary, cloves, eucalyptus. Other biofilm disruptors include NAC, quercetin, colloidal silver, zeolite, manganese, zinc, ozone therapy, etc. Monolaurin in coconut oil shows promising antimicrobial activity, and it can be a potential biofilm treatment. Published research suggests one of the most impressive potential health benefits of curcumin is acting as a biofilm buster against the formation of biofilms that can lead to serious disease. Some enzymes help break down biofilm too, such as trypsin and nattokinase. Butyric acid is a short-chain fatty acid and its ionic charged form is known as butyrate. It plays a vital role in the breakdown of biofilms. Your gut beneficial bacteria produce butyric acid from fiber. Therefore, it is important to maintain a healthy and fiber-rich diet to boost healthy bacteria and butyrate levels in your gut. The production of butyrate by healthy gut bacteria is just one incredible mechanism your body develops to protect itself. Phosphatidylcholine. This is a long name. Phosphatidylcholine also plays a role in the elimination of biofilms. It can interact with biofilm structures, disrupting the integrity and detaching the film from the pathogens that hide in it. Both butyrate and phosphatidylcholine can regulate biofilm signaling and gene expression, which can disrupt biofilms on a genetic level, interrupt communication pathways, and eliminate the formation of biofilms in the first place. Chinese skullcap is a medicinal herb that has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years. This perennial plant has violet blue and tube-shaped flowers with 2 leaves. The root of the plant is used medicinally. The herb's Chinese name is called Huangqing, which means the golden herb. The root of the plant has a yellow color, hence its name, the golden herb. Chinese skullcap is one of the 50 fundamental herbs used in traditional Chinese medicine. Chinese skullcap is commonly used for treating Lyme disease. It has been used for cancer prevention, cognitive function, and liver health. In traditional Chinese medicine, Chinese skullcap is often used to treat various types of cancer, including breast, lung, and liver cancer. Skullcap also displays the potential to promote sleep quality as a relaxing herb. It contains large amounts of flavonoids, which have an impact on the sleep-wake cycles and sleep quality. Skullcap protects against Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, anxiety, and depression. Studies have shown that the antioxidant in the root of Chinese skullcap prevents the development of brain plaque linked to Alzheimer's disease. Chinese skullcap has antibacterial and antiviral properties and has long been used to treat respiratory infections, including bronchitis, pneumonia, and common cold. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties help reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract and fight against infections. Here are some amazing health benefits of Chinese skullcap. Help treat Lyme disease, improves sleep quality, reduces inflammation and relieves pain, relieves asthma and fights against respiratory infections, provides antibacterial and antiviral properties, prevents cognitive decline and protects the brain against Alzheimer's disease, boosts immunity, and prevents cancers. There are many ways to consume skullcap. You can make tea from the dried herb. However, extract the tincture or extract are the most popular forms because it is easy to incorporate the herb into your daily routine. Skullcap is generally safe to consume, but there are some side effects to consider, and most of these symptoms are rare, mild, and not severe. Some side effects of skullcap include nausea, stomach ache, loss of appetite. Chinese skullcap is not recommended for women during pregnancy or breastfeeding because there is no safety data for this population. Now let's talk about Japanese knotweed. It is well known and invasive weed. However, it is native to Japan, North China, Taiwan, and Korea. Other common names for Japanese knotweed include bushy knotweed, Mexican bamboo, Chinese knotweed, Houzhong or Hujiang. This plant means to remove pain in Japanese. Japanese knotweed has been used as a spring vegetable for centuries in Asian cultures, and it is highly praised because of its high content of one particular chemical, resveratrol. The roots of the plant contain a much higher level of resveratrol than the leaves and stems. Chinese knotweed is commonly used in traditional Chinese medicine for treating various health conditions and has been used for treating Lyme disease in Western herbal medicine. The most important health benefits of the herb include treating cognitive disorders, improving heart health, relieving gastrointestinal issues, lowering high blood pressure, reducing cancer risk, improving insulin sensitivity, and many other health benefits. There are over 60 known plant compounds in Japanese knotweed, including resveratrol, emodin, kitchen, gallic acid, quercetin, and rutin. Typical late Lyme disease symptoms are arthritis and joint swelling. Emodin is one of the Japanese knotweed's active chemical compounds that can effectively fight against Borrelia and cease the bacterial growth. Japanese knotweed also helps to improve blood flow throughout the body, which is effective for the treatment of Lyme disease because pathogens are often hiding behind the biofilms in these areas of the body. The important features of Japanese knotweed on Lyme disease are its cytokine modulation and neuroprotective and regeneration effects. Chinese knotweed can specifically help treat Lyme disease by improving blood circulation, reducing inflammation, reducing autoimmune reactions, providing antibacterial and antiviral activity, protecting endothelial integrity, acting as an anti-biofilm agent, and strengthening immune function. Studies show that the Japanese knotweed helps improve cognitive function by decreasing oxidative stress and supporting brain health. Resveratrol in Japanese knotweed can decrease neuroinflammation, restore the integrity of the blood-brain barrier, improve neuromuscular coordination, and enhance learning and memory, specifically long-term memory. Emodin is a natural compound in Japanese knotweed that serves as a natural laxative. As a result, Japanese knotweed derived emodin has been an over-the-counter remedy for constipation. Emodin also helps relieve bloating, cramps, and other mild gastrointestinal symptoms. Here are some amazing health benefits of Japanese knotweed. helps treat Lyme disease, improves cognitive function and supports brain health, reduces pain and inflammation, lowers high blood pressure, improves insulin sensitivity, provides antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial properties, relieves respiratory infections such as cough, bronchitis, and sore throat, reduce gastrointestinal issues including bloating and constipation. You can harvest Japanese knotweed and make a delicious meal with the plant. The plant tastes similar to rhubarb. Clinical evidence on the dosing guideline of Japanese knotweed is lacking. One study used an oral extract of 200 mg over 6 weeks. The preparation was standardized to contain resveratrol 40 mg. Do not use it in pregnancy because it may cause miscarriages based on the text in traditional Chinese medicine. A dietary approach is always the first defense when it comes to your gut health and immunity. Please check my previous videos related to natural remedies for gut health. I will add the link in the description box below. I hope you enjoy the information. I offer a variety of healing modalities, including holistic health consultation, Chinese medicine, treatment, energy healing such as Reiki and seed healing, quantum healing hypnosis, intuitive readings such as palm reading, face and tongue reading, and medical Vedic astrology analysis, especially related to past life traumas and health challenges. You could contact me on my website to book a session. The link is in the description box below. Please subscribe to my channel to receive more information on holistic health and alternative medicine. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next episode.